How to set timer on Instagram camera. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your Instagram application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches. So just tap on Instagram and search for any updates available on this app. Now as you can see, I don't have any options of update, so it means my app is updated to its latest version. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of my app. Then I'm going to go to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Then
How to log Telegram on
for reels and tap on camera. So now here you can see the option of timer at the very bottom on the left side of the screen. So just tap on this icon, tap on that, and here you have the countdown of your timer. So you can just set the timer by giving this, tapping on this icon. You can add 3 seconds of timer countdown or 10 seconds and then tap on set timer, and when you click the picture it will give you the timer. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.